Meaning of daguerreotype. Daguerreotype. Daguerreotype.
Daguerreotype. Daguerreotype. Daguerreotype refers to an early photographic process invented by French artist Louis Daguerre in the 19th century. The process involves polishing a silver-coated copper plate and exposing it to iodine vapors, creating a light-sensitive surface. The plate is then exposed to light and developed using mercury vapor, resulting in a highly detailed and permanent image. Daguerreotypes produced images with sharp details and a mirror-like finish that made them popular for portrait photography. They were used extensively in the mid-19th century before being replaced by other photographic processes.